Imagine biting into a juicy, sun-ripened peach that you grew from a simple seed. The journey from seed to fruit-bearing tree is not only incredibly rewarding, but also allows you to cultivate a deeper connection with your garden. Growing your own peach tree from a seed involves a few essential steps, starting with the careful extraction of the seed, followed by a process known as stratification, which prepares the seed for planting. Once in the ground, the seed begins its transformation into a seedling, and with ongoing care, it eventually grows into a thriving tree. In this guide, we'll cover everything you need to know to successfully plant and nurture a peach seed, helping you enjoy the fruits of your labor. Literally. Start by selecting a fully ripe, fresh peach, ideally organic or locally grown to ensure the seed is viable. Carefully cut the peach around the middle, twist the halves to separate them, and remove the pit. Clean the pit thoroughly to remove any fruit residue, as this can harbor mold or bacteria. Once you have the pit, you'll need to extract the seed inside. There are a couple of techniques you can use to do this. The safest method is to allow the pit to dry for a few days, which makes it easier to crack open. After drying, use a nutcracker, vise, or even a hammer to gently crack the pit, being careful not to crush the seed inside. Another method is to file down one side of the pit with a file or sandpaper until you can see a seam. Then, use a knife to pry the pit open along this seam. Extract the almond-shaped seed from the pit, taking care not to damage it. After extracting the seed, it's important to clean it thoroughly to remove any remaining fruit residue. This residue can harbor mold or bacteria that might harm the seed during storage or stratification. Rinse the seed under cool running water, gently scrubbing it with your fingers if necessary. After cleaning, pat the seed dry with a paper towel. Before moving on to the next step, ensure that the seed is completely dry. Drying the seed helps prevent mold growth during storage and stratification. Place the seed on a paper towel in a cool, dry place for a day or two. Once dried, the seed is ready for stratification or can be stored in a cool, dry location until you are ready to stratify it. Remember, if you're storing the seed for an extended period, keep it in an airtight container to prevent moisture from re-entering, which could cause the seed to rot before you're ready to plant it. What is stratification? Stratification is a process that simulates the natural winter conditions that many seeds, including peach seeds, require before they can germinate. In nature, peach seeds fall to the ground in autumn and experience several months of cold temperatures during winter, which helps break their dormancy. This period of cold exposure, known as cold stratification, is essential for triggering the seed's internal mechanisms that allow it to sprout in the spring. Without stratification, the seed may remain dormant and fail to germinate when planted. Stratification process. To stratify a peach seed at home, you'll need to replicate this natural process by exposing the seed to cold, moist conditions. Here's a step-by-step guide to stratifying your peach seed. Moisture preparation. Start by dampening a paper towel or filling a small plastic bag with moist sand or peat moss. The material should be moist but not soggy. Excess water can cause the seed to rot. Enclose the seed. Place the cleaned and dried peach seed inside the damp paper towel or in the moist sand peat moss. If using a paper towel, fold it around the seed to ensure it is in full contact with moisture. Sealing and storing. Place the wrapped seed or the seed in the sand, peat moss, into a resealable plastic bag. Seal the bag tightly to retain moisture, but avoid trapping too much air inside. Label the bag with the date so you can track the stratification period. Refrigeration. Store the bag in your refrigerator, ideally in a spot where the temperature remains consistent between 33 to 41 degrees Fahrenheit, 1 to 5 degrees Celsius. Avoid placing it in the freezer, as freezing temperatures can damage the seed. Duration. The seed should remain in the refrigerator for a period of 6 to 12 weeks. This mimics the winter period, allowing the seed to break its dormancy. During this time, periodically check the seed to ensure it remains moist and there are no signs of mold or rot. After the stratification period, your peach seed is ready to be planted. The cold exposure should have sufficiently prepared the seed to germinate when introduced to warmer temperatures and proper soil conditions. This step is crucial for beginners to understand, as skipping or improperly conducting stratification can result in failed germination. Timing. The best time to plant a stratified peach seed is in early spring, just after the last frost has passed. This timing is crucial, because it allows the seed to experience gradually warming soil and air temperatures, which encourages germination and root development. Planting too early while frost is still a risk can damage the seed or young seedlings, leading to failure. In most regions, this means planting in March or April, but it's important to check your local frost dates to ensure optimal timing. Choosing the planting location. Selecting the right location for planting your peach seed is key to giving your future tree the best start. Peach trees thrive in full sun, so choose a spot in your garden that receives at least 6 to 8 hours of direct sunlight daily. This sunlight is essential for photosynthesis, which drives the tree's growth and fruit production. Additionally, the soil in your chosen location should be well drained, as peach trees do not tolerate waterlogged conditions, which can lead to root rot and other issues. If your soil is heavy clay or poorly drained, consider planting the seed in a raised bed or amending the soil with organic matter like compost to improve its structure and drainage capabilities. When selecting the location, also consider the mature size of the peach tree. Peach trees can grow up to 20 feet tall and wide, so it's important to allow enough space for the tree to expand. If you're planting multiple trees or other large plants nearby, make sure to space them at least 15 to 20 feet apart to prevent overcrowding and competition for nutrients and sunlight. Planting techniques. To plant the stratified peach seed, start by digging a small hole about 1 to 2 inches deep in your prepared location. This depth ensures the seed is covered with enough soil to protect it, while still allowing it to receive warmth from the sun. Place the seed in the hole with the pointed end facing down, as this is the end where the root will emerge. Cover the seed with soil and gently firm it down to eliminate air pockets and ensure good soil contact. After planting, water the seed thoroughly to settle the soil around it. It's important to keep the soil consistently moist, especially during the first few weeks, to encourage germination. However, be careful not to overwater, as soggy soil can lead to rot. A good practice is to water the soil lightly whenever the top inch feels dry to the touch. Mulching around the planted seed with a thin layer of straw or shredded bark can help retain moisture and regulate soil temperature, but be sure to keep the mulch slightly away from the seed to prevent it from staying too wet. Once your peach seed has germinated and a seedling begins to emerge, it's important to provide consistent care to support its growth. Watering is critical during the early stages, as young seedlings are particularly vulnerable to drying out. Establish a regular watering schedule, ensuring that the soil remains consistently moist but not waterlogged. Typically, watering every few days is sufficient, but the frequency may need to be adjusted based on the weather and soil conditions. During particularly hot or dry periods, you may need to water more frequently to prevent the soil from drying out. Fertilizing is another key component of caring for your peach seedling. After the seedling has developed a few true leaves, you can start feeding it with a balanced, slow-release fertilizer to encourage healthy growth. A fertilizer with a balanced ratio, such as 10-10-10, provides essential nutrients like nitrogen, phosphorus, and potassium that are crucial for the seedling's development. Apply fertilizer sparingly, following the manufacturer's instructions to avoid over-fertilization, which can harm the young plant. Peach trees typically begin to bear fruit after 3 to 4 years. Once the tree produces fruit, thin it out when the peaches are marble-sized to ensure better quality and size. Harvest ripe peaches by gently twisting them off the branch and enjoy them fresh or in various recipes. With proper care from seedling to maturity, your peach tree will reward you with healthy growth and a bountiful harvest. Don't forget to subscribe for more gardening tips, and let us know in the comments how your peach tree is progressing.